we're gonna start removing all of the pieces that still have support on it with a chisel and pliers. I 3D printed this part that is going to help me get a 90 degrees here. This is the setup for the bumper, front bumper. I have it off the ground plane, probably about 1.5 feet, because then when I'm standing, I don't have to lay it on the ground. So there will be a little bit more work than I thought, because each one of these hangers on the edges, I need to bevel it. I need to sand it down, clean it. Just because this is going to touch off on the back side of the bumper, and if there are any extras, I think it might interfere with the contact. These are the front bumper pieces, and some of them still require a little bit of prep work, and that is going to go onto the hanger here. It doesn't move as fast as I Let's have a quick look at what I have accomplished today. It's taking a lot more time than I thought. A lot of preparation for these pieces. So I've got the frame done, the hangers done. I have to rely on this 2x4 that it is absolutely straight, because these hangers are sitting on them. So I'm contemplating